Na ane pay your ya share. Edem the another picture is abobo chede MPP fully active. Na one ye would Edem so and I'm nanado no one kakran. So this could be true and this also could be true. But in reality is that Edem Nankasa no years the magwini be that. Okay, some time ago he did a song called Nanaba. Naneba. This song he used Nane's picture and all that.
DJ Paco Rich.
Hello, it is here for one for you and again, now. Pacho Jonila in a Botos DJ Edem. Yes, in a Elombini. I know very well that you guys were close to Mr. Aigbe Edem. Gedem, yes. One can tell them, Ghana and Kasana, I depressed that. Pressure over here do not doss already. So, agree on here is a Omeyemudo Agre, Yempe drama. We don't like any drama and concerts. There, end of the day, Ohana, young day, I wear them the Twitter handle, we post a flyer day. Let me show that to you. Let me show that to you. This flyer, big announcement soon. Fully active, you know, in at the show. Now, one thing I'm who there, I don't know, so in shadow and serious day. A basha or decided or call MP racing. Okay, you know, rusted in agree, but I'm still waboniti. Minimals is a constitutionity or so. But I mean, his looks well then he still showed there or one creative elements anymore. And I mean what doubts kakra, but I mean sisi ariasina ya when bibia to me see nti nyamara sesa so ya man doubt na ane pay your ya share Edem the another picture is abobo chede MPP fully active. Na one ye would Edem so and I'm nanado no one kakran. So this could be true and this also could be true. But in reality is that Edem Nankasa no years the magwini be that. Okay, some time ago he did a song called Nanaba. Naneba. This song he used Nane's picture and all that. And then you know that mixed feeling. But this whole thing on Yanyin ways and kind of why you be. Teacher Kojo did the same thing. Knowing the Kumasi boy. Yes, Anga Crowdo, a MPP guy. Na alapayan kofu wodi twa na onya agwer wo twa na alapaya wo faya na ena chede na azachi odi Jesse for the bed or a form more for nana inti it's become something yariko election a lot of people wants to play some jokes with yes but yes someone when women smagana for politics World Cup Momo serious. Agree no mudu so amome yenwuro ya agwer. Because people are hungry for change. They want new people. They want great people. They want people that will bring happiness to them. Into since I bet you when you pay, then you have restored some hope into people. Into your show, Edem. If you be play, they play. I beg. Or if you be song, they bring. If we stop, they play with our emotions. So I'm telling you that what Edem posted, and I don't think it's a serious political mission be other MP my NDC. Neither me short of MP my MPP, but me sure they be another project to be ahead of the 2024 election. And I was started all there, but so let's just sit on his page and I share what will come up next. What from a Paco to the rich, I hire fancy YouTube. If today is your first time watching videos here, but must not subscribe. Now you vibe more. Natural wide comments. Share your views right here on this post. Let me get out of here.
DJ Paco Rich.